How to calculate the outer arc length of a pipe elbow in fabrication workshops. Welcome to the Piping Engineer YouTube channel. In piping fabrication and inspection, measuring or calculating the outer arc length of an elbow is essential for marking, cutting, and fitting. Today, we are going to break down the exact formula you need to calculate this on-site, quickly and accurately. Before jumping into the formula, let's clarify the key parameters we need. First, the elbow angle, A, in degrees, such as 60 degrees, 90 degrees, or 45 degrees. Second, the centerline radius of the elbow, denoted as R. Remember, for a long radius elbow, the centerline radius equals 1.5 times the nominal pipe size. That is, R equals 1.5 times NPS. Third, the outside diameter of the pipe, or OD. Now, we can write the standard formula used in field fabrication to calculate the outer arc length of a pipe elbow. Outer arc length equals 2 times pi, times open bracket, centerline radius plus outside diameter divided by 2, close bracket, times A degrees divided by 360 degrees. Notice that the centerline radius plus half of the outside diameter gives us the outer radius of the bend. Multiplying this by 2 pi gives the full outer circumference, and multiplying by A degrees divided by 360 degrees isolates the exact arc segment for your specific angle. For this calculation, we will use pi equals 3.1416. Let's calculate the outer arc lengths of several pipe elbows of different sizes cut at 60 degrees using this formula. We'll apply the parameters for a 5-inch, 60-degree elbow to the formula to find the outer arc length. Example 1, 5-inch long radius 60-degree elbow. Step 1, identify the given parameters. Elbow angle, A, equals 60 degrees. Outside diameter, OD, equals 141.3 millimeters. Centerline radius, R, equals 1.5 multiplied by 5 inches, multiplied by 25.4, which equals 190.5 millimeters. Step 2, calculate the outer radius. To find the outer radius, add half of the outside diameter to the centerline radius. Outer radius equals centerline radius plus outside diameter divided by 2, which equals 190.5 plus 141.3 divided by 2, which equals 190.5 plus 70.65, giving 261.15 millimeters. Step 3, apply the arc length formula. L outer equals 2 times 3.1416 times 261.15 times 60 degrees divided by 360 degrees, which equals approximately 273.5 millimeters. Using the formula, we found that the outer arc length of a 5-inch, 60-degree pipe elbow is 273.5 millimeters. Example 2, 10-inch long radius 60-degree elbow. Now, we'll apply the parameters for a 10-inch, 60-degree elbow to find the outer arc length. Step 1, identify the given parameters. Elbow angle, A, equals 60 degrees. Outside diameter, OD, equals 273 millimeters. Centerline radius, R, equals 1.5 times 10 inches, times 25.4, which equals 381 millimeters. Step 2, calculate the outer radius. Outer radius equals centerline radius plus outside diameter divided by 2, which equals 381 plus 273 divided by 2, which equals 381 plus 136.5, giving 517.5 millimeters. Step 3, apply the arc length formula. L outer equals 2 times 3.1416 times 517.5 times 60 degrees divided by 360 degrees, which equals approximately 542 millimeters. Using the formula, we found that the outer arc length of a 10-inch, 60-degree pipe elbow is 542 millimeters. I believe you can now use this formula to calculate the outer arc length for any pipe elbow size and degree. In the next video, I'll demonstrate this formula using inches, the standard measurement unit used in the US. This quick calculation helps you verify fitting layout and material cutting on-site without guessing. If you found this quick guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more piping engineering tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below.